The Economics and Statistics Office recently released new numbers about Cayman's economy. They presented their findings to a packed room of business and government leaders. Although it is 2006-2007 data, ESO officials say the information can still shape Cayman today.
The statistics, although they refer to 2006 and 2007, are still very useful for business planning because it presents them the different sectors in the economy, what sectors comprises the economy, what contributes to the economy. It also presents growth rates. So that's an indication, for example, as of the performance of different sectors. If you noticed, we presented not only the big sectors, financial services, hotels and restaurants, but what they seemingly call small businesses. Who knows, as the economy grows, we will be able to track the contribution of these sectors as well, 5 years from now, 10 years from now.
Statistics are important for any business. It's the data that they need in order to understand business trends, whether they have good market share, and even whether they want to expand their businesses in some way. ESO has done an excellent job in upgrading the statistical offerings that they have. The challenge that we face really is to get the public and certainly the business community to feel comfortable submitting the surveys. We have to understand that if you don't get good information in, it's difficult for the policymakers in government to introduce or make decisions that are positive for all of us. I think the big thing is confidentiality, and if we can ensure the public that their data is not being shared. Reality is, under legislation right now, they cannot disclose any of that information to anybody else. But there's this perception out there which has to be removed from the minds of business owners. And also I think it's the surveys themselves. The surveys themselves have to be simplistic in nature and easy to fill out. 80% of our businesses in Cayman are small businesses. They are already bombarded with a lot of pressure to keep their businesses operating, particularly during these economic times.
For small businesses, there may be some problems with detailed forms. What our experiences are is that some businesses, some small businesses, don't have adequate accounts, don't have adequate records, and therefore they don't have the necessary financial information to answer some questions. While there may be some concerns with confidentiality, certainly because of the aggregation that's involved in compliance statistics, that part should be covered and they should be concerned with that. But from a business standpoint, it's having the records internally for the business to answer these questionnaires. Certainly training can be very useful in making sure that small business owners and entrepreneurs can understand the forms, but I think a lot more work to help them to develop proper business accounts, business processes, so they understand what's going on and can respond to the questionnaires and surveys would be essential as well.
We have indeed been developing the statistical system towards that vision where they will be more relevant to our users, and not only relevant to other users, but compliant as well to international standards. We have heard recommendations today, right, about the need perhaps for ESO to be a statutory authority to ensure independence. That is something that we have to research.
These stats impact government policy in a number of ways. I think by being able to see which sectors are growing and what areas, by being able to see which sectors play the dominant role in the economy and the GDP, the government can then tailor its policy accordingly. Likely those with the highest GDP are also going to be those with the highest level of employment, and also going to be those potentially with the higher levels of government revenues. So the government can focus very directly, strategically, what do we need to do to industry A, B, or C to improve things.
Again, the Chamber supports entirely the work of ESO. Statistical gathering is so important for our economy. And again, for all the industry sectors, what they want to see is up-to-date statistics. One of the challenges that we have is often we get statistics that are released, but they're well behind, maybe a year or 2 years behind. Well, that's not going to be good enough for a business owner that's looking to understand the markets right now. So again, we have to have more prompt statistics, better cooperation, but then also public education about the need for gathering this data.
You can read the full reports by logging on to www.eso.ky. The information is found under News and Events.